Top of the morning, folks. Crypto has dumped and bled so hard in the last 24 hours, and I just wanted to show you guys some of the opportunities and dips that are happening right now. This is gonna be a nice short video, but when we come down here, we can see the difference between a 4% drop and a 12% drop on ETH. If you see ETH on this 12% drop right here, guys, you can see that you're getting a 12% discount compared to a 4% discount. And then when you even scroll down, some of them aren't even really down that much. Like BNB's held pretty strong. Who else held? Polkadot. But what I want to show you guys is the ones that are down a lot that you guys can get some discounts on. XRP is down 8%. Cardano is down 14%. Guys, Solana 22%, guys. These are just like bounce back gains. These aren't even like the gains when the market turns around. These are just, okay, if it bounces back from this recent crash that just happened. Dogecoin 10%, guys. 28% on AVAX. You guys know I love AVAX, Avalanche. I bought some Avalanche when it was at $31 and it's back down to 22. 22 is cheap. If you guys seen, I don't know if you guys have seen, check this out. Just the other day, Avalanche was at 30 bucks, and just the other day, Ethereum Classic was at 20 bucks. And now look at Ethereum Classic has actually surpassed Avalanche in price. Ethereum Classic is at 22.69. So Avalanche is definitely a discount, and so is Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is down 12% right here. If you go down the list, this is an easy way to see what's going on in the market, guys. This is what I do. This is my most basic way to look at the market, is just go on CoinMarketCap and look at what's been happening recently. They're pretty reliable with their results. Another one that's down far is Algorand. I know you guys like Algorand. You can mine Algorand, and you can get Algorand as yield rewards on some different platforms. So that could definitely be something you guys could be interested in. And I also know you guys like apecoin. Apecoin is a really popular one. That one's down 25%, guys. And then Decentraland, 16% on Decentraland. Now I feel bad for the people that joined into the metaverse hype back in like November when this thing like exploded, because this was like $3 or $4 right here, guys, and we're down below $1. So anybody who's believing in the metaverse, I mean, like, these metaverse tokens have gotten pretty cheap, guys. I haven't seen the sandbox. There's the sandbox right here. See the difference, guys. The sandbox and Decentraland always go head to head pretty much, and we've seen a 16% drop compared to a 3% drop. So this is why you guys should look at this stuff, because even though the whole market can be bloody, some coins can be slightly bloody and some coins can be very bloody. You know what I'm saying, guys? And when you guys are buying a dip, definitely look at this type of stuff and compare these coins, because you wouldn't want to take your 10 grand and buy the dip on Sandbox when it's only 3% down. You can make 3% on like any day trade in the stock market on any given day, like a piece of cake. But when you look at stuff like this, like a 16% down, a 24% down, or when you see Ethereum, one of the biggest coins, one of the brightest futures in the entire crypto market, and we're down 13%. So when you guys are looking for some fast, easy gains, you wait for a gigantic crypto crash, and then you come on in here and you see the difference. You see the gaps and the percentages down, and you see what coins have performed ultimately miserably. Because you see here, they'll show you the chart over here, and you see how Bitcoin's choppy, but it bounces back, and that's why we're only down 4%, because when we drop, we bounce back, we drop, we bounce back. But Ethereum seems like it just gets a nice little bounce and another dump, nice little bounce, another dump, nice little bounce. And so we could see another dump if the crypto market goes down even further. But if not, if this is the bottom, then some of these coins you could be getting some serious deals on right now. I know some of these are your favorites: the ETH, the XRP, Cardano and Solana, Dogecoin. I know you guys love these coins. Definitely now is the time to look at the charts, check everything out. I'm not saying the bottom is in. I'm not saying that it's going to go up from here. This is not financial advice. But this weekend especially, I'm definitely going to be looking into some buy points on some of my favorite coins, because these are some decent prices, and I'd like to think that we're getting close to the bottom here, and I don't want to miss the bottom and have it rocket back on me. because you guys know once the crypto market like really bottoms out, it shoots back. And once it shoots back, all of the retail investors, they get positive again, they get optimistic, and they start buying in. And then the whales realize that the turnaround has happened, and they start buying in more, and then prices really start skyrocketing. So you guys will only see the bottom for a very short amount of time, guys. So don't like wait and hope that you guys could buy the bottom, because it's pretty tough to buy like the exact bottom. A lot of people would have said that like 1900 was the bottom on ETH in this crash, and now ETH is down to 17. So and that's, to me, when I saw that this morning, it was sort of a deal. And I was like, I usually don't buy ETH because it's expensive and because it's not like one of my like big plays. When I saw how cheap it was and how far it was down, I was like, I gotta get on there and I gotta let the guys know about what's going on in the market right now, and that maybe they should look into seeing if they can see any buy points, because Avalanche, $22. If you guys remember correctly, Avalanche was well on its way to $200 per coin in the crypto bull market that just happened last fall, and now we're down to $22. So we're talking like most of these coins are down about 10x. I'm saying 8x. Most coins are down about 8x on their highs, the altcoins. I'm not talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm talking about Dogecoin. I'm talking about Shiba Inu is like 9x down from the high. This right here is like 7x down from the high. Dogecoin is 8x down from the high. So 10x. Dogecoin is now 10x down from the high. 7.7. It had hit 76 cents during Saturday Night Live performance. And this even hit like $3. So we're down like 6x on this. So a lot of these tokens that if you guys buy in at the bottom, you can see yourself making a 5 to 10x when the crypto market rebounds. And so that's why they call it altcoin season, because if you were to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum, you'd only make small gains, perhaps, and that's if these recover with the altcoins. But if we go into altcoin season, all these coins are going to skyrocket. We're going to get 5x and 10x gains on these, while some people sit here and wait for Bitcoin and Ethereum to make a move. So like I said, guys, definitely get in here, do your research, look at some coins, smash a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.